Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So if you are a social media manager and using Facebook pages to promote your business, then you are on the right place. Because today we are going to learn how to automate Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect. So by setting up a simple connection between your Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect, you can automate all the repetitive tasks which are involved in Facebook posts, managing the customers, clients, generating leads, and even replying to the comments. So if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome back to my screen. So as you know, we are going to learn in this video how to automate Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect. So creating automations for your Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect offers significant benefits for you that can transfer how you manage your social media presence. By automating tasks like post scheduling, comments replies, and lead collection, you can save valuable time and enhance efficiency for your business. Okay, so if you are running a business and you're promoting your business with the help of Facebook pages, then this video is perfect for you because you will be able to learn how to set up a connection between your Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect to automate all your repetitive tasks. Automation ensures consistent engagement with your audience, providing instant personalized responses that improve the customer experience, and it also streamlines workflows, reducing the risk of manual errors and allowing you to focus on more strategic activities of your business. As your Facebook page will grow, automation helps you to scale your efforts without increasing overload, ensuring that you maintain a high level of interaction with your customers, clients, and also data management. So overall, automating your Facebook page management with Pabbly Connect boosts productivity, supports business growth, and enhances the effectiveness of your social media strategy. So without wasting much time, let's get started quickly. We are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, by using which we are going to create our automation. So this is the home page where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user like me, just click on sign in and log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button first to create your free new account, and it is going to take just 2 minutes. Also, once you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations for your requirements. Alright, so let's get started here. Because I'm already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now this is all app section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. So because we are going to create automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, so we have to click on access now over here. Now it is going to take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On this dashboard, you will find all your workflows which you have created, and you can also create different folders over here on the same dashboard to save your workflow separately and accordingly. Now to create a new workflow, you have to click on this create workflow option. So here, first of all, let's do that. Here a dialog box is appear in front of us which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give a name over here. Automate Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect. After giving the name to my workflow, here we can select the folder in which you want to save your workflow. So you can see I have multiple folders over here. I'm going to select social media automations among these folder list, and I'm going to click on create. As we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. This screen contains two new important windows. First is the trigger and the other is action. Now what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or the entire building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says to this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose here in my scenario, I want that whenever a new comment will be received on my Facebook page post, then I want to transfer that comment with all the details of the user who has posted the comment in my Google Sheets to create a record. Okay, so let's suppose in this scenario, I'm going to take Facebook pages in my trigger and Google Sheets in my action. When we are going to set up a connection between these two applications with the help of Pabbly Connect, we will be able to clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the comment is received from Facebook page post, then only it will be added in Google Sheets, otherwise not. So after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the workflow step by step. So we are going to learn how to automate Facebook pages with the help of Pabbly Connect. So here you can set up the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect as trigger as well as action. So according to your requirements, you can connect Facebook pages in both the steps. So I'm going to show you one by one each of the steps. that how you can connect Facebook pages in trigger, as well as how you can use Facebook pages in action to create your automation according to your requirements. So let's get started with the trigger first. Here I'm going to show you how you can set up a connection between your Facebook page and Pabbly Connect as trigger, so that whenever a specific event occurs on your Facebook page, the response will be captured inside Pabbly Connect and you will be able to transfer that same response to any other application according to your requirements automatically. Okay, so to build this connection, we have to go towards our trigger step first of all, and here we have to select our trigger application. Now because we want to set up the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect, so our trigger application will be Facebook pages, of course. Let's quickly select that. You can see I have already logged into my Facebook page before setting up this connection. It is very important to log into your applications which you are connected over here with Pabbly Connect to build this connection easily and effortlessly. Now here we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. So you can see we have two options over here, new post or new comment. On the happening of whichever event you want to capture the response, you have to select that. Over here I want that whenever a new comment will be received on my Facebook page post, then I want to capture the response of that comment with all the details inside Pabbly Connect. So we will select new comment as our trigger event over here. As we have selected that, now instantly whenever a comment will be created, the response will be captured. Okay, now we'll simply set up the connection. For doing that, we have to click on this connect button, and to build the connection, you can see that we have two options over here, add new connection or select existing connection. So I'm going to go with add new connection, and we'll simply click on connect with Facebook pages. Now we'll select our account and we'll click on continue. And because I was already logged in, you can see my authorization has become successful very easily, and now Facebook pages is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Now to build the connection with a specific page of Facebook account, what you have to do? You have to select the page from the drop down. So once again, I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page. Okay, over here you can see that this is the name of my page, Natural Glow Skincare. Let's suppose I am an owner of a beauty salon, and to promote my business, I am running a page on my Facebook account. So I have a Facebook community, therefore I have the page, and I want to set up the connection between this Facebook page and Pabbly Connect. So how we will do that? By selecting the same page from the drop down. So the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare. I've selected it from the drop down and done. So now whenever I'm going to receive the comment on any of the posts on this particular page, then the response will be captured. Okay, in this way you can set up the connection between a specific page and Pabbly Connect. Then we will turn the simple button on because we want to capture the response in simple terms. And then what we will do, we will simply click on save and send test request button. So now it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that now when we will do a test submission by posting a comment on any of the posts of our Facebook page, then immediately the response with all the details will be captured. So what I will do, this is my Facebook page, as you know. I'm going to open a new Facebook account, and with that account I'm going to post a comment over here on this image, on this post which I have shared on my Facebook page currently. Okay, so I'm going to open a new account. So I've opened a new account in the incognito mode, and with that account I'm going to post the comment. So this is the Facebook post. I've already opened that, okay, with a link, and now I'm going to post a comment over here. Let's say the comment will be amazing, just a sample comment, okay, and I will simply post it. So as we have posted the comment, let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. We will wait for the response for a few seconds over here, and you can see that yes, we have captured the response. In this response, here we have received all the details. You can see here we have the name of the user who has posted the comment. We have received a from ID, that means the ID of the user. Here we have received the URL, the photo URL or the image URL, that means the post link. Okay, we have received the comment, exact message which we have received as a comment on the post. Here we have the post ID, the post on which we have received this comment. Here we have the comment ID as well. Here we have the created time and date. That means at what time and on which date the comment is received. The type of message is comment, and here are all of the details. So because we have received all these details and all the details are exact, we have posted the same comment, as you know. Amazing. This means that the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. So now whenever a comment will be received on our Facebook page post, the response of that comment will be captured inside Pabbly Connect as well, that too automatically. Once we have set up this connection, now further you can transfer the data which you have received over here to any other application automatically. For example, if you want to create a record of the comments along with the date and the post IDs that on which post the comment is received, then you can add Google Sheets over here, MS Excel over here. If you want to share the comments which you are receiving on your Facebook page post to your team members, for example to your marketing team, then you can also add Google Chat, Slack or Discord over here. In this way you can set up the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect as trigger to transfer the data to any other application automatically. I hope up till here it is clear to you. Now we'll move forward towards setting up the connection as action. So you can also use Facebook pages as action step, so that when you're receiving any response from any of the application, you can transfer it towards Facebook page. So let's get started towards that. So this time we are going to learn how to automate Facebook pages using Pabbly Connect by adding our Facebook pages an action step to transfer the data from any other application towards Facebook page automatically. So here, let's suppose I'm running my beauty salon and I want to promote my business with the help of WordPress and Facebook pages both. Now my objective is that as soon as I'm going to post a blog over here on my WordPress site related to my business, related to skincare tips, offers, discounts or etc., then I want that the same blog should be shared on my Facebook page as well. Okay, so I'm running my community for my beauty salon on both WordPress as well as on Facebook page. So how I am going to automate this entire process of sharing my WordPress blogs towards my Facebook pages? For that, I need to set up the connection between WordPress and Facebook pages. So I have already set up the connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect, and I've also received the response of that. So this is the link of the post which I've shared on my WordPress site. Here we have the title of the post. Okay, along with this, we have received all other details as well. Here we have also received the content. Okay, I will simply share the post link on my Facebook page. And how am I going to do that? By setting up the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect as well. So for that, in the action step, we have to select our Facebook pages as our action application. Then we have to select our action event, that will be create page post. Here, because I'm sharing a blog, it does not contain any media type, so that action event is simple create page post. But in the similar manner, by setting up the same connection, you can go for any of the event: create multi-image post, create page post, send a private reply, upload a reel, create page video post, and etc. Okay, so we'll simply click on connect. Then to build the connection, we will go with the existing connection only, as we have already built the connection earlier in our earlier steps. Okay, for the trigger. Now I'm going to click on save. As we have done that, the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. In the similar manner as we have done earlier, in the trigger step, we have to select the page from the drop down over here. So the name of my page is Natural Glow Skincare. I have selected that. Then you have to enter the message which you want to share along with the post. Also the link of the post, okay, which you want to share. So now what I will do? I will simply enter the message. So here the message which I want to share to my Facebook community will be: hello everyone, here is my new blog out. Check this out fast. So what I will do, simply enter the title of the post which we have shared and which we want to share on Facebook page. So we want to share the blog which we have posted on WordPress. So what we will do, we will simply enter the same title over here. But because we have received all the details related to the blog, related to the new post published on WordPress in our earlier response, we are not going to enter the title manually over here. We will simply map it. Now mapping is inserting data from previous step. We want to enter the title which is given. Let's select it from here and it is mapped. As we have mapped this title, it has become dynamic. That means with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So now whenever a new post will be published on our WordPress site, a new blog will be published, then automatically when the response will be captured, the title which we have mapped over here will be changed with the new title of that new post. And in this way, we will be able to automate the entire process of sharing our WordPress blogs or posts on our Facebook pages. Then here we have to enter the link URL that also we are going to map. So here we will simply map the post link. It is given over here. So let's simply map that. And when we'll click on save and send test request button, here you can see that the response is captured. So in this response here we have received one ID. This is the ID of the post which is shared on our account. So this means that our connection is absolutely successful. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook pages. Over here we'll refresh the page once. And here we can see that yes, the post is shared. This means that our connection is absolutely successful. So these are the methods which you have to follow in order to set up the connection between Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect in trigger as well as in action. So according to your choice, according to your requirements of the workflows, you can set up the connection in trigger as well as in action to automate all your repetitive tasks which are involved in Facebook pages. Okay, so here I have just taken the example of WordPress, but you can take any other application as well. For example, if you want to share your Instagram reels on Facebook pages, you can take Instagram for Business in your trigger. You can also take any other social media application over here. You can also take Google Sheets to create a social media calendar that on a specific day every week a post should be shared on your Facebook page. So according to different use cases, you can create your automations. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.